Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aha Zindagi Educare. In this lecture, we will discuss about disjoint sets. So, what are disjoint sets? See, two sets A and B are called disjoint sets if A and B have no common elements. That is, A intersection B is empty. Okay, it should be an empty set, or we can say that set A and set B should not have any overlapping portion. Okay, so in other case, suppose A intersection B is not equal to 5, then we can say that A and B are not disjoint sets, and these are called intersecting or overlapping sets. Okay, so if we take an example, suppose we have set A as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are elements of set A, and set B has elements as A, B, C, E, and F. Okay. So A and B here, if we see, have no common elements, as set A has numbers as its elements while set B has alphabets as its elements. So A intersection B is equal to 5. Thus A and B are disjoint sets. Okay, disjoint sets. So if we represent this by Venn diagram, how can we show this? See, this is a Venn diagram where rectangle is our universal set and these two circles are set A and set B. We can clearly see there is no overlapping portion between A and B. So A intersection B will be pi. That is, A and B have no common elements, and so A and B here are disjoint sets. Okay. So based on our discussion, we will solve some problems. See, in this problem, three sets are given, okay, and its elements are listed, and we have to tell whether A and B are disjoint sets and A and C are disjoint sets. Okay, so first we will solve part 1. So what we have to do, we have to find A intersection B, and if A intersection B is an empty set, then A and B will be disjoint. So A intersection B. So here if we see, A has elements as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, while B has elements from 7 to 11. Okay. So there is no common element between A and B. So it is equal to 5. Okay. So as A intersection B is equal to 5, so A and B are disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. Coming to second part, we have to determine whether A and C are disjoint sets. So again we have to find A intersection C. Okay. So now we will find, so A has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and B has elements 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So we can see that 6 is a common element between A and C. So A intersection C will be 6. Okay. As A intersection C is not equal to 5, that is, it is not an empty set. So A and B are not disjoint, or we can tell A and B are intersecting or overlapping sets. Intersecting sets. Okay friends, so in this lecture we have discussed about disjoint sets, and we have seen how we can represent this on Venn diagram, and we also have discussed some problems. Okay friends, thank you.